Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your speaker MTUNE M1 using your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Now click the settings icon near to your speaker at the device list, and right here near to the name we have this pencil icon. On some devices it's located at the right top. You need to click on it and then write the best one for you. Let's say I wanna add this text. After you finish, you should click rename to save this new name. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!